Good morning, students. Myself, Mrs. Swarupa Deshpande from Advocate Bapu Saheb Bhonde High School welcomes you all for today's English 1 class. Students, do you all realize that Unit 3 is full of animals? In our first lesson of Unit 3, we learned sounds of domestic animals and birds. Now tell me, who does bow wow? Right. The dog does the bow wow. Who does meow meow? Right, the cat does meow meow. We also learn bird sounds like cow cow. Who does it? Right, it's a crow. Quack quack. Right, duck. Then in our second lesson we learned jungle safari. That is, we learned to recognize animals. Some were wild, some were domestic, and some of them were birds, insects too. Can you name some? Yes. Elephant, tiger, giraffe, rabbit, squirrel, peacock, ant, snake, etc. Let us talk about some pet animals now. Do you know what are pet animals? Yes, a pet animal is an animal kept for person's company or entertainment rather than working animal. We can keep them with us, but we have to take proper care of them. Can you tell me some names of pet animals? Cat, dog, parrot, right? Tortoise, right? Hen, very good. Now today we are going to learn lesson number 3, Toto the hen. In this lesson, one boy like you all have a pet. And guess what is its pet? Right, it's a hen. Let's begin the lesson. Rahish had a pet. The boy named Rahish in this story had a pet. It was a black hen. What was the pet? Yes, it was a black hen. Her name was Toto. What was her name? Yes, the black hen's name was Toto. Toto lived in a coop. Where did Toto live? Yes, it lived in a coop. The house of a hen is called a coop. We have learned this in our EVS chapter. Our house, our home. Toto was a very smart hen. Toto was smart, means she was a clever hen. If you have a pet, you should keep it in its proper house and should take proper care. So Rahish used to give food to her every day and played with her. From this line, we come to know that he was taking proper care of the pet Toto. He used to give food to her in time and he also played with her every day. They became good friends. They both, Rahish and Toto, became good friends. When Toto laid an egg, she used to make a special sound, cock, cock, cock. What is the sound of hen? Yes, it's cock, cock, cock. So when Toto laid an egg, she makes a special sound, cock, cock, cock. Right. Then Rahish came out and fed Toto and took the egg for him. What does Rahish do? Yes, he took the egg for himself, but before that he fed Toto. It means he gives Toto her food to eat. He gives Toto her food and takes egg to himself. One night Rahish was sleeping in the bed. He heard the special sound of Toto. Cock, 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 cock. What happened one night? Yes, when Rahish was sleeping in the bed, he heard the special sound of Toto, that was cock, 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 cock. So he came out from his house to see what happened by why Toto is making that sound. Toto ran to Rahish and pecked his leg. As soon as Toto saw Rahish, he ran towards him and pecked his leg. It means biting with a beak. Rahish looked around to see that what happened. He smelled something burning. So Rahish looked around. Why she did so? What happened? When he smelled something burning. Oh my God, the coop is on fire, he shouted. The coop was in mess. As Rahish was looking around, he smelled burning and saw that coop was on fire. So he shouted and runs toward the coop. The coop was supposed to be burned. Rahish ran to the tap of water and took the pipe. Then he showered the water and put out the fire. As he came to know that coop was on fire, he ran towards the tap of a water and took the pipe and started showering the water on the coop to put out the fire. Do you all know what we should do when we saw a fire is on anywhere? Yes, you should put water to off the fire. Then Rahish bent and picked up Toto. After the fire is off, Rahish bent down and picked up the Toto in his hands. You smart hen, my dear friend, you have saved my farm, said Rahish. Now Rahish says to Toto that you are so smart hen, my dear friend, because of you my farm is saved. Otherwise everything must have fired. So you saved the farm. Toto happily replied to Rahish, cock, 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 cock. Let us read the lesson now. Toto the hen. Rahish had a pet. It was a black hen. Her name was Toto. Toto lived in a coop. Toto was a very smart hen. Rahish used to give food to her every day and played with her. They became good friends. When Toto laid an egg, she used to make a special sound, cock, cock, cock. Then Rahish came out and fed Toto and took the egg for him. One night, Rahish was sleeping in the bed. He heard the special sound of Toto, cock, cock, cock. Rahish came out from the house. Toto ran to Rahish and pecked his leg. Rahish looked around to see what happened. He smelled something burning. Oh my God, the coop is on fire, he shouted. The coop was in mess. Rahish ran to tap of water and took the pipe. Then he showered the water and put out the fire. Then Rahish bent and picked up Toto. You smart hen, my dear friend. You have saved my farm, said Rahish. Toto happily replied to Rahish, cock, cock, cock. So students, what do you learn from this lesson? Yes, we learned how to take care of our pet and they will also love you and help you. So from this lesson we learned a friend in need is a friend indeed. They both helped each other. So Toto's life and Rahish farm was saved. Look and say PET pet, LIVED lived, SMART smart, EGG egg, HEN hen, EVERYDAY every day, FED fed, BED bed, WENT went, SHOUT shout, BURNING burning, FIRE fire, COOP coop, PIPE pipe, TAP tap, FARM farm. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe our class channel. Till then, bye bye all of you.